Welcome. If you need to change your birth date on the Roblox app using your PC and want to make sure you're following the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you entered the wrong date by accident or just need to update your account info, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. First, open the Roblox app on your PC and log into your account. Once you're inside, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled More. This will open up additional settings and account options for you. Next, from the expanded menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, click on Account Info. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your birthday. Now look for your birthday information. Next to your current birth date, you'll see a small edit icon, usually shaped like a pencil. Click on this edit icon. This will allow you to make changes to your birth date. Enter your new, correct birth date. Make sure you double-check the information before moving on. When you're ready, click Continue. Roblox will now ask you to verify this change to keep your account secure. To do this, simply enter your account password when prompted. This step is important to make sure it's really you making the change. After you've entered your password, your new birth date will be saved to your account. That's it! You've successfully updated your birthday on Roblox using the latest method for PC users. Keep in mind, if your account is registered as under 13, you may be asked for additional verification, like parental consent or ID, depending on your region or the age you're changing to. Always follow the on-screen instructions for any extra steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Roblox experience.